Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change music length on Facebook, right? So it's very easy. Let's get into our Facebook mobile application here. I'm using an Android, right? So here, if you can just upload a reel, or let me show you, I'll just create it in front of you, right? And let's say that I just put a camera and I just give the allow access, right? And here let me just record it for some seconds, right? Here you can see that this red bar, and if you don't want to record it, if you have already made the reel, then you can just directly upload it from here, right? So I will just go to the next, and here you will get this lot of option, right? Here you can see audio, text, effects, and everything, right? And if you don't want to record it, it will show you the same features if you upload a reel here. So just go to the audio. Right, you can just, if you want, you can just depending upon your requirement, you can just increase the volume or decrease the volume, right? Even though if you want, you can mute it, right? If you want to add a music, then just click on music, and for example, let's say that I want to add this, right? You can just play it from here, or you can just tap on the plus icon and add music to be added.
If you're looking for me now, it's a little late. Got my problems
And once you do it, you can just click on repeat, right? And if I just
if you
right here, you can see that everything is here, but where I will get this option to change the music length, right? So basically, if you just there's a no option to change music length over the Facebook story, but if you just go to the Instagram story, or if you just go to the Instagram reel, whatever, you can change the music length on the Instagram, right? So that is possible. So I hope you found this video very useful.